Good morning everybody. So it's my last full day here in the south of France. Unfortunately I didn't get to have another surf session because I injured my wrist during that last session and I could barely twist it, and I just thought it was better to leave it. Plus the weather turned anyway and couldn't really get out much. So I just thought I'd do a last video, last little stroll around the garden and chat about my time here. It's been a good 4 weeks. It's gone quickly actually. Got a lot of work done. Finished off the coping. There's still a bit of pointing to do for the coping. Did manage to get into the pool a couple of times, but it was still quite fresh because the pool hasn't had the whole summer to warm up yet, so it's still a bit chilly. But I had a couple of swims and a few surf sessions. Didn't really go to many of the local towns or anything. Didn't go to Biarritz or Bayonne. Didn't really explore too much this time because I just wanted to get the surfing in, and we didn't have that many good days where we weren't working. So, but I will be probably coming down for another 4 weeks sometime in the future to do some more work, so hopefully I can share more then. And I will be down here for a week in the summer at some point. Not sure how much I'm going to be able to film during that holiday because it's sort of like a family thing. It might be a bit rude to have the camera out all the time, but we'll see. I would like to have gone to on some hikes as well, but I think that will have to wait till next time. Because the Pyrenees isn't too far away, so hopefully next time I'll be able to go on a few hikes and show you that area. But yeah, it was a good 4 weeks, good holiday, good trip. I've got myself a surfboard now, so I can surf in the UK, so keep an eye on the channel. There will be some surfing videos hopefully coming up soon. But for now I will leave you with some lovely images of all the wildlife and things we've seen here in a little compilation, so you can get an idea of what we've seen and what we've done. If you have liked all the videos I've posted recently about this trip and you look forward to seeing more, then please subscribe, please let us know what you want to see, and we will try and accommodate, and hopefully we can keep bringing you this cool content because we love doing these things and we love sharing it. So yeah, thank you again for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Bonnie, what are you doing? Oh shit, it snapped in half.